How's it going, everybody? My name is Logan, and I am here at the longest-standing vape shop in Colorado, Vaporleaf. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to use your Suorin Drop. The first thing that we're going to want to do is fill the pod. So to do that, we can just yank the pod out. That's going to reveal these two little rubber plugs on the bottom here. So what I like to do is get a fingernail under each one of those plugs and just pry them up. And then we can lift one side and insert our bottle, and then lift the other side to vent. Then when we squeeze, we'll see juice filling up on both sides. You can see I'm actually tilting the pod a little bit here to try and even out that air bubble. And then I'll tilt the pod to try and get an even size air bubble on either side. Once the air bubble is the right size, we can just plug both of those right back up, and then we're ready to go. Now, if this is a brand new pod, you want to let it sit for about 10 minutes to allow the juice to soak into the cotton there. If you vape it before the cotton has saturated with juice, you will burn your coil and you'll have to replace your pod right away. Once your pod is filled and you've left it to prime for at least 10 minutes, we can grab our device and pop the pod in there. It doesn't really matter which way you put it in there, it'll work in either direction. When you go to take your first puff on your Suorin Drop, you might notice some light coming from within the pod. There are two little lights underneath the pod down there that will light up blue and red. When the pod is lighting up blue, that means that you have at least 30% battery life left. Once you get down to 30% though, the light turns red to warn you that you'll have to charge soon. While you're charging, the light will turn on red and pulse slowly, and then it will switch to blue and pulse slowly, and when the device is fully charged, the light will be solid blue. Now, as you vape on this, you might notice over time that you're getting some condensation inside of that center chimney there. If too much condensation builds up, then it's going to start to spit some juice at you. Obviously, that's no fun, so what I like to do is flick the pod in order to get the excess juice out of the chimney. You can have a tissue wrapped around the end, you can whip it into a trash can, whatever you like to do, but it helps to just flick it like you're hitting something with it to get that excess juice out of the chimney and keep on vaping happily. Now, Suorin does say that you should use a 60-40 or 70-30 vape juice in your Suorin Drop, but I personally prefer a 50-50. If you do use a 50-50, then you will want to pull the pod out from time to time and just take a look, make sure you're not getting a ton of excess juice down inside of your device. You can see I've got some buildup on the bottom of mine here. You're going to want to wipe that out with a tissue or a Q-tip. If you want to pick up a Suorin Drop of your own, you can find it at vaporleaf.com, or you can come pick it up in-store in Lakewood, Colorado. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!